We are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to show how you can add widgets in Oppo smartphone. So to start, we will need to firstly open the widgets menu, which you can do by making the shrink and swipe like that, or holding at the vacant spot on your home screen. Then over here at the bottom options, go for the widgets. Then select the widget you would like to enroll. Let's say I'll go with this one. And as you can see, the widget was successfully added. Now if you want to, you can move it around, change the home screen you have it placed at, and then just save the changes by hitting the done button over there. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.